If you have come here to get some health gyan on yoga, meditation, and the wellness space, then you come to the right place. That is called the Yoga Conversations Podcast Mini Clips. We'll be having multiple guests ranging from Simon Borg Olivier to Khurshid Batlewala. So let's get into it. Mansi, I'll jump right in. How did you start your journey into yoga?
My journey into yoga, that's an interesting question because it began before I even, maybe before I even understood what life had in store for me. So I think my first yoga class must have been when I was 12 years old. So, my mother, she just took my sister and I to a yoga shala, which was across from our house. And I was so inspired by this lady because she would push away her whole house to create space, put yoga mats 4 a.m. every day. And then she'll put her house, all the furniture back in every day at 4 p.m. And this was her life for years. I think she still does it. And she's, she must be like 70 now. And she looks not a day over 45. I was like, she's doing something right. I'll do this. And I think it wasn't even a conscious decision. When you're so young in your early teens, if something reaches deep, it really goes deep. So, I learned a few basic practices that stayed with me my whole adult life till I consciously then, said that this is a path that I want to walk. This is the knowledge. The more I learned about the wisdom of yoga, the more I learned about its efficacy over the years, the more I felt I wanted to share it with everyone around me, so it felt like there was so much to be shared. And, one does realize that because it stayed with you so long, it will probably stay with you even longer. So, I think it was then, from just a practitioner about 9 years ago, I became a teacher, and I've been sharing this beautiful science and the wisdom, the ancient wisdoms ever since. Yeah. Wow. That's the journey that continues.
And how was your first, let's say, if you did a TTC course or did you meet any Guruji with you? How was that experience?
It was beautiful. I always say, now that I'm running my own teacher training programs, that's what I tell my students, that this point in your life will change your life. It is so deeply transformative, and it's transformative because you don't know it's going to transform you inside out. You feel like, we just like, I did the teacher training program, for example, to deepen my own knowledge. At that moment, I didn't have the intention to teach, right? And I know this because I talk to a lot of aspiring teachers. Most of the teachers come to yoga or come to a TTC program because they want to deepen their own knowledge. And people are afraid of teaching. They're like, no, I don't want to teach. And I was the same way. But once you step into that space, it unravels right at your very deep cellular level. It talks to you at your natural state. So it's almost like layers are peeling off. Layers that we've accumulated are just peeling off because you go so deep inside yourself, not just with the academia aspect, not just the philosophy, but it's all of it put together. It's the lifestyle, it's that whole beautiful space that's created for you to learn and grow. It's almost like you go on a fast track. It's like you're on a fast track mission. So where whatever you're doing will become more intense. So at that time, we're in a very intensive sadhana, right? When you're doing the teacher training program, it's a very intense sadhana. So you go on a fast track and, on the other side, you're like, wow, did I just do that? And you really kind of impress yourself that you were capable of doing it. So, for me, my experience was very intense. And that's why, this year we're running our first teacher training program. I'm so honored to be able to share this journey even further and to create beautiful teachers into the world, because I think